Hello everyone, welcome to social science class. Today we are going to start a new lesson from your politics textbook, chapter 6, Rural Administration. The word rural means related to villages. And in this chapter we are going to study how are these villages administered or governed. You have already studied Panchayati Raj system. It shows the political system. How are the leaders elected and what are the things they are doing for the villages or the rural areas. In this chapter, we are going to see that apart from the political leaders, which are the government staff who are working in villages. In Panchayati Raj system, you see the structure of rural government. Today we will see who are the people responsible for the administration of these villages. India is a vast country and so it cannot be administered from one place. So, for the sake of administration, the country is divided into states and union territories, and state is further divided into districts and taluks. Taluks are consist of several villages and towns. Village is the smallest unit of administration. All the needs of villages such as electricity, water, roads, maintaining land records and settling conflicts and disputes are to be taken care. Maintenance of law and order. It is very important to maintain law and order for the functioning of administration, as peace and security are essential for a smooth civic life. This function is performed by police department. Every police station has an area that comes under its control. The superintendent of police is the highest officer in a district. He is assisted by a number of deputy superintendent of police, inspectors, sub-inspectors and constables. For the purpose of police administration, the whole district is divided into number of circles, each under the charge of a deputy superintendent of police called circle officer CO. A circle is divided into number of thanas, each under the charge of station house officer SHO. In villages, every police station has an area under its control where people can report a case or inform police about any theft, accidents, injury, fight, etc. It is the responsibility of the police of that station to inquire, to investigate and take action on the cases within its area. We will continue the chapter in the next class. Thank you.